Bring you the latest now on the trial over a fatal ragging incident in the Singapore Civil Defence Force. The alleged instigator took the stand today and said he did not ask the man who pushed the victim into the well to do it.
The victim, Corporal Kok Yuen Chin, drowned in the well. First Warrant Officer Mohammed Farid Mohammed Saleh told the court he didn't expect the group of SCDF personnel to carry Corporal Kok to the well that night. Nor did he think Corporal Kok would enter the well, as it was dark and dangerous to do so.
But the prosecution accused him of lying. Hours after the incident last year, he had told police that he did expect Corporal Kok to enter the well as part of celebrations marking the end of his national service.
The prosecution also said there was no reason for Mohammed Farid to be singled out as the instigator, as there were others who had been more actively involved. Also, while he denied having actively participated in what happened, CCTV footage showed him standing around the pump well like the others. He'll continue to testify tomorrow.